And this is telling us in this scripture, as people of God, we should not be focused on doing church. We should be focused on being the church. We should be focused on making sure that we are living a holy life and doing what God has called us to do, rather being so focused on doing church well and knowing how to say this in the right time and to get people all going up in their emotions, or how to preach, or how to tune up, and how to do all these different things. We should be focused on how to live right, how to love our neighbor, how to treat people right, how to have the fruit of the Spirit, how to walk in the Spirit. These things we should be focused on rather than doing church. We need to be being the church without spot, wrinkle, blemish, or any such thing. This is what God is coming for.